Alright, so today we're going to see how to create any N8N workflow using Claude 4.0 Sonnet. 4.0 Sonnet. Well, so the first step, we head back, we search a YouTube video. It's going to explain the automation you want. Went ahead and copy the link of the video. We'll head back over to YouTube transcript.io, paste the link and click on extract transcript. There you go. Copy the transcript of the video. We replace this piece of text and paste the transcript right here. By the way, this prompt is the one that we're going to be using to generate the JSON file. It's going to be in the description of this video. We click on send right here and let's wait. Alright, so we can see Claude Sonnet 4 has finished the JSON file. We head over right here and click on download as JSON. Go back to N8N. Hold on. Click on import from file. Click this step right here. And as we can see, it has created the same exact workflow. Well, this sticky notes got it wrong, but hey, the workflow is what matters. You can see has the perform prompt right here, the HTTP request, everything. See, this can save you hours, basically a lot of hours of developing this N8N workflows. And if you like this video, click the like button, subscribe for more N8N tutorials.